Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for mortgage assistance. This is for people who are struggling and need assistance to make their mortgage payments. Or even if you're current with your mortgage but you need help with your partial claim or hot loan, which we already discussed earlier in this video. So in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to apply to get help with your partial claim or hot loan. In order to do this, the first step is to get your FHA 10-digit case number. You can get that number calling your mortgage lender. Once you get that number, the next step is to create an account on the website called sip.nsc.org or Smart Integrated Portal. So right here on your Google search bar, you just type sip.nsc.org. Then click enter. Then just click right here. And as you can see, this is the website. Right here you can see all the information that you are going to need in order to create this account. You can see here the FHA case number, the 10-digit case number, property address and personal information, the loan amount, and your email address. Then just click on request an account. As you can see here, they have three things: third party, servicer, borrower. In this case, you are the borrower. Just click here. And right here on the left side of the website, you can see all the information that you are going to need. These are 5 steps to complete it. So the first one is contact details, account details, property address details, additional contact details, and then just review and submit. So right here I'm just going to put my personal email just to show you. Then just click next step. Right here in the step 2, you can see you can put your first name, middle initial, your last name, your FHA case number, which you already got from your mortgage lender, the loan program, which is a partial claim, and a partial claim amount. You can get this amount with calling your lender. Just ask for the amount on your partial claim, and then just click next. I can go further on this step because I don't have an FHA case number right now, the 10-digit case number. But the only thing is you complete all these steps, and you will receive a payoff letter. This is actually to get your payoff letter from HUD on your partial claim. And this is a very important step because you will need this letter when applying for help on the Texas Homeowners Assistance Fund website. After you create that account and finish all those steps, you will receive an email saying that your payoff letter was approved, and you can download it on the same website. Once you're done with all those steps, you will see something like this. This is the website, and as you can see on the left side right here, need a payoff letter. Just click here to start. And this is very important, like I said, because you will need this document in order to complete the Texas Homeowners Assistance Fund application to help with your partial claim. So this is just to show you. After that, the next step is to create an account on the Texas Homeowners Assistance Fund. The only thing you need to do this is to go to your Google search bar and type Texas Homeowners Assistance Fund. You will see something like this. So just click here, and right here you're just gonna need your personal information and some required documents, like attestation form, IDs. The attestation form is just if you don't have the required documents like proof of income or bank statements, so you have to download that form and sign the form and then upload it again. So, but it's always advisable that you get out your pay stubs and your bank statements and upload on the website. So right here, just click on login. If you have an account, just continue with the steps. If don't, just click on register now. And after you register, you will see something like this. This is the homeowner pre-eligibility screen. So right here, basically you just have to put your personal information. This is the owner primary residence, yes. The preferred language, put here English, whatever language you use. Has your household experienced a financial hardship due to COVID-19? That's depending on every situation. In this case, yes. And date of financial hardship, this is when the financial hardship started. So right here we can just put just give any date. February 2002 June 15, just to put something. The number of people in your household. This is how many people live with you and that actually uh, living with you and earning money. So right here, just put whatever number is in your household. And there, has your household income been reduced or due to the pandemic? You have to click here. Wages was reduced during or past unemployment, laid off or pause in work. Current, let's just gonna put here 4,000. Then, has your household had additional expenses due to the pandemic? This is like I said, depending on every situation. No increase in expenses. So right here, have you fallen behind in one of your following payments in connection with your home? Yes. And right here, how did you hear about us? You can put whatever, word of mouth or whatever. And then select the county, your geographical area. It's gonna put any county, Aransas County. I mean, this is your county. I'm just putting any county just to show you. And after you put all this information, you can see here they put the area median income to see if you qualify for this based on your earnings, on your salary. So then just click continue, and you see here on the left side on your website, you see you need to complete all of these steps, and then at the end just submit. This is very easy because actually it's pretty much your personal information and your depending if you live with people, your household information, the people that live with you, your wife, sons, daughters, all the people that live in your household. So right here, you can put your physical property address, city, county, then you go to occupants. Right here, this says right here, please include the information on all adults residing in the house, including the children residing in the house, more than 50% of the year. So you have to include, like I said, you yourself and your wife or all the adults that live with you in your house and the children residing with you. So right here you can see you need to add the income. Just click here. I just put any name here just to show you. Just click in here, add details, and you add the details for this occupant. Middle initial, phone number, social security number or IT number if they don't have a social security number, and employment status, employed, and then additional occupants that might live in your household. So the next step is income. Right here in income, you need to add the income of each person living in your household. Right here, just give me one because I didn't put all the information on the other occupants, but you need to include everything. And then just go to next, payment requested. Right here, just put your past due amount, mortgage past due amount. This is a very important step because you can include here your past due mortgage amount and your hot partial claim, which we already discussed earlier in this video. That's a different thing. Those are two different things. Your mortgage is obviously the when you're behind on your mortgage payments, and you can include that amount there. But if you uh, were affected by the pandemic and were in a forbearance plan in I don't know 6 months or whatever, you can include that amount too here. You get a hot loan. So where here you can put your, if you are current with your mortgage, you can just put your hot or partial claim amount, due amount right here. And if you are past on your mortgage too, you can include your mortgage and your partial claim, both of them. This is your homeowner's insurance past due amount. Actually, this is for people that uh, don't have an escrow account. If you have an escrow account, you have everything together. All the payments are in just one payment. In escrow account is included your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. So you have to worry about this. But if you pay your property taxes and everything uh, apart from the mortgage payment, so you can include it here, your homeowner association fees and property taxes past due amount and property tax lender past due amount. This is different. You can see here. See, this is a property taxes past due amount. This is if you are with without an escrow account. You pay it by yourself, and this is with a property tax lender past due amount. They include this because this is when you have an escrow account. So you put all the information, then click save, then go to additional info. You can see it's foreclosure pending. This is depending on your situation, yes or no. The foreclosure dates and any notes that you might have. And then you can even get help to for utilities. You are past on your utilities. You can request some amount here, or you just click I don't require utility assistance, and then click next and go to documents. Right here, you just need to take a photo of your ID or you and your wives or any adults that live with you in your household and upload it here. After you complete all of these steps, just go to sign and submit. Just review your form, sign and submit it. So well guys, this is all for me. I just wanted to share this video with you. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.